Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, CNC machines, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of our favorite. This is a Mori Seiki. Now, when you see this machine, you're going to say, I think I've seen this machine before. That's because everybody copies this machine. So this was kind of the basic beginner of the machine. So take a look really close here, see how heavy duty all the webbing, all the castings are. I mean, it's incredible how much more heavy duty these machines are than most machines. Nice heavy ways. Take a look right here. You can see somebody did a little bit of a crash. Didn't affect anything. Everything's still working okay on it. We've checked all the gears and the speeds out. These are notorious for having a little bit of a gear issue, having to replace these gears. So we've checked everything out, made sure it's all working for you. The brake's working well. Has a Sony 2-axis digital readout. Great running machine. Let's get it going. Right now we have engaged our longitudinal feed. And our cross feed. Again, everything gets checked out here at Sterling Machinery. We have all our own technicians. This machine's been painted. Looks really nice and clean. Look great in your shop. You see all that working great. We'll put into threading mode. That's going to run along this thread screw right here. You can see the longitudinal cross is moving. We're in a pretty high speed right now, so that's why everything's moving really fast, but it's a nice way to show you how everything's working. You look on the ways here, everything's in really good condition. There was that one crash I was showing you here, but just looking over everything, this is where I usually look at. You can see here that hasn't been a lot of other major issues or a lot of chips. It looks like they were falling anywhere. So somebody took a pretty good care of it. We'll hit our brake. We're going to go ahead and move to our low speed. Now you can see our chuck is running at the low speed. Take a look again, come on in here, you can see our digital readout. Here's our X-axis readout. It's going to make it a little easier for your machinist to be able to read everything. Otherwise, you do have your tick markers right here. You can see all those, as well as for your other feed here. And you'll notice the readout there is working as well. Pretty expensive readout for a nice big machine like this. You can see it's working great. Sounds really good. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, let us know. If you have something to buy, sell, or trade, we'd love to find out what you have and how we can help you. You can see we have a lot of different machines here. We deal with a lot of different manufacturers, new as well as used. Let us know how we can help. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.